Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce this. This is the Moman solar lights for outdoors. We have 6 times light emitted dyed solar lights for the garden with warm white and 7 color changing light effects you can choose from. IP55 waterproof for the fans, for the Patio, for stays, for ripple. These are solar powered lamps for outdoor use. It's environmentally friendly solar lights for the outdoors. No electricity bills because the solar powered system can gain the power from the sun. With these solar fans light, these are powered by solar energy. Is it highly efficient solar panels. The solar lights absorb solar energy for 6 up to 8 hours during the day and store it in the 600 mAh NIMH battery. Then it turns on automatically at night and light continuously for 8 up to 10 hours. We should not cover the solar panel so that the garden light can absorb enough solar energy, of course. We have 2 lighting modes we can choose from. This crystal clear garden solar lights offers 2 modes with different light colors. We have warm white mode and automatic color changing mode. The warm white glow effect is suitable for daily lighting, and the RGB color changing mode is perfect for festival decoration. This is giving us a unique atmosphere in our garden, for example. And it's IP55 waterproof because it's made of high-strength ABS materials in premium quality. These solar fans light are especially designed for outdoor use and can withstand all kinds of bad weather conditions. We do not have to worry about the light will not working after rain, snow, and so on. And easy installation. We have 2 ways to install that. We can make vertical or flat installations. No other cables are required, and the installation is really easy. We can attach the decorative solar patio lights to any fans with adhesive tape or fix them on any wall, etc. with the included screws, for example. And a big bunch of possibilities. This set of 6 solar garden lights is ideal for decoration or outdoor areas, such as fans, stairs, patios, steps, walls, gardens, courtyards, garage porch, and so on. We can easily choose with the color modes. We choose the light color we like. We turn the switch from off to white for warm white or dial to the color. That means color light is yellow to yellow, blue, and so on. We insert a transparent lamp cover into the main body. And we should be sure to insert it all the way. We use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 2 screws. The screws on it, job's done it. And then we can install it easy peasy with 2 installation methods. We can aim it, mark it, and then we drill 2 holes with a diameter of 6 mm in a well-lit place. The spacing between the holes is 61 mm, the 2.4 inches. The depth of the 2 holes is about 28 mm. Insert to the plastic pallets and to the wall, after we drill it. Then we use 2 screws with 3 to 45 mm to enter the lamp body. The direction of the body may differ in different places, of course, of use. We can insert it from the front or from the back, because we can install it with the solar panel looks to us, or with an angle type. That means the solar panel is over the fans, for example, and then it will automatically switch on while it is dark outside, and it brings us a good, nice looking area, because on the market the solar LED lights are available in shell, block, circular ripple, or in God. So you can choose what you like. In this case here, it is a semi-regular rebel designed device, and then you can make it. Of course, if some days in the future the battery power is not good enough, we can unscrew the two screws again. We unscrew the two Phillips screws inside the machine or inside the device, and then we remove the old battery and replace it with a rechargeable battery of the same model. It's a 1.2 volt AA 600 milliamp hour battery which is installed there. When we installing a new battery, we pay attention to the positive and negative direction, and we do not reverse it. We cover the solar panel and make sure that the switch is on white color, and then we can make another round with a new battery. But this is in the future, of course. But it is possible to perform this on this solar lights device here. And this is a good fact, because you do not have to replace the lamp. You only have to replace the battery in the future. We do not dispose of the NICD or NIMH batteries in multiple waste stream or by fire, as battery may explode, of course. But until this day, it is a long time, and we will enjoy every night, every evening, and every morning these nice lights in our garden, for example. This is easy, this is cool. These are the Moman solar lights for outer use. 6 LED solar lights, which are powered by the sun, because there is an LED system which comes with a solar powered system. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.